And as we get into this warmer weather, if we can hold off the rain on a weekend, I would imagine we got a lot of people who would like to be out on the water.
Yeah, you start to see boats being towed in from the marinas and stuff, like getting them ready for this time of the year. We'll get there eventually. Today actually was a pretty nice day if you happen to have the day off. Unfortunately, it's the best day leading into the weekend. You know, I wanted to start with dew points because I caught a little of this too, and then I got a couple of messages about it. This was the first day that it felt kind of sticky out there, right? And the dew points corresponded to that. Over 60s when we usually start to notice humidity, and we were 60 to 65 for dew points. So it was a little bit sticky today, especially in areas that were in the 70s and low 80s. We got more sun than anticipated today, so that popped up our temperatures, popped up some thunderstorms too in the mountains, which I'll show you in a second. Notice though that fog bank never really went that far, so it's going to be rolling back on shore here through the evening pretty quickly. Those showers and storms have had some heavy downpours. We had a flash flood warning or two across northern Maine, and notice this is a severe thunderstorm warning into the northeast kingdom of Vermont. So as these storms come through, we could see some heavy downpours, or we are seeing heavy downpours, and some thunder and lightning. Those will settle down once the sun sets, which is around 8 o'clock this time of the year. Fog comes back on shore, clouds come back on shore as well. And I don't think we're going to have the same kind of success burning off that cloud cover tomorrow. We did a good job today, but it's a different setup. Stronger winds off the water. We've got a system moving through, and so I think we've got a lot of clouds, and by mid to late morning we start to see some periods of heavy rain, maybe a rumble of thunder in there, a break maybe through the early afternoon, and then another round of showers and storms. So note, unlike last Saturday, it's certainly not raining all day tomorrow. But as far as what windows are there for it to be confidently dry, that's a little bit hard. So you've got another round coming through. This is 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock tomorrow night. And then we start with a little bit of sun potentially on Sunday. I think it's a little bit better of a day, but still showers around Sunday afternoon into Sunday night. So an unsettled weekend without maybe a ton of total rain in there. That low just meanders away from us on Monday and Tuesday. Still cloudy, still a chance for some showers. Not much rain though Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday of next week. Thursday of next week is a different situation with a straight up rainstorm that, according to the GFS, is so chilly that the mountains change over to rain. I'm not sure if that's accurate or not, or if it's overdoing it, but it gives you an idea of how cool that air mass really is. So I've got us in the 40s, upper 40s, just to gently let you down, but it's probably not going to even be that warm. I mean, realistically, like if someone said to me, you got to make a point forecast for Portland on Thursday, what's the high? I'd say like 43. You know, it is not warm. And it stays unsettled into Friday, and it will be unsettled on Memorial Day weekend. It will not be raining the entire time, but I don't have high hopes for it being warm and sunny at this time.
Is it too late for us to cross our fingers more than a week away?
No, you can. I think this pattern is not, it's not one of those, I don't think, where you can be, it's the overall pattern is not conducive to us being warm and sunny. So it'll just be a matter of how much rain are we talking about? Can we get some moments of sun in there? I know.
You go by the little rabbit's foot. My kiddo will find a 4-leaf clover in our yard.
I would love to be wrong, just to be clear. I would love it.
All right, thanks, Keith.